I just thought about some fashion mistake that I have made in the past. Okay, I am guilty of most of these things that I'm about to mention. Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. I thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So guys, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So like today we'll be talking about some, like I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some of the mistakes that I made in the past when it comes to my outfits, and some of us we might have done it in the past, or maybe knowing or unknowingly. You know, sometimes you're in a rush and you don't give you an F, you just go like that. But for me, I'm trying to live in the past to be gone with 2019, and I want to work on my fashion skill. I'm not a fashion police, or I'm trying to throw a shade to anybody. No, I'm not throwing shade at anybody. I'm just saying some of the ones I've made in the past and I'm interested in. If you feel like it's something that you'll be interested in, then keep on watching. And one point that I'm going to talk about is your underwear showing. Like, you know, when you're wearing something like an off shoulder, then underwear is showing, like the strap of your bra is showing. I feel like it's wrong. You're not supposed to let the strap of your bra to be revealed out there. Wearing mono strap, your bra is showing on this side, and this side is only covered just because of the strap on the mono strap. I feel like it's wrong. So I've done it in the past, and the moment I noticed that it doesn't look good, I stopped doing it. But I still see some of the ladies out there, they are still doing it. I am not throwing shade at anybody, don't forget. This is me trying to correct my fashion mistakes, okay? I've been in that category before, but I started working on it, and I thought about bringing it up onto my channel to talk about it. That is it. And sometimes you wear a dress and you're wearing like a biker short underneath it, and when you're sitting down, someone can actually see the biker short. I feel like it's wrong, okay? You have to like find a way to work around that doesn't show. Either to put it all the way up and sit down, you know, in a way that it's not revealing. Another thing that I've noticed people are doing is wearing an open toe sandals with pantyhose. I feel like that is wrong, completely wrong. It's always good. Like, who wants to wear open toes shoes during winter though? I don't know if it's cold. I feel like it is time for you to put those sandals, put them in the corner for a while, and bring out your boots. I feel like boot is appropriate to wear with pantyhose. I know in the 70s they used to wear open toes sandals with pantyhose, and that was in the 70s. That has gone with the 70s. We're talking about 2020 right now. So let's put it back in 2019. Let it be gone. Bye bye. So the next thing I've noticed again is showing too much. The rule is either you show the upper part of your body or you show the bottom part of your body. For me, I am like here, right here of my body. It's proportionate to my body, so I don't really have anything to show. So if you've got the cleavage, if you, like the word says, if you've got it, you flaunt it. So if you want to flaunt your cleavage, you are free to do so. I mean, we all have to dress the way we are comfortable in. I'm not going to tell nobody not to show off what they have. That's what they have. If I have it, I will show it if I want to. So if you want to show off your cleavage, then you might want to wear something that will cover the rest of your body. You know, too much of revealing, I feel like it's not good. And if you are my kind of, you know, petite, midi-size, you know, that's how we were blessed, okay? You just want to wear an off shoulder, yeah, you can wear off shoulder, or you do some kind of slit dress and don't reveal too much. That's just my opinion, and that's the way I chose to dress, okay? And another one that I've noticed is pants dragging on the floor. Believe me, I have done this so much in the past. When I was back in Nigeria, as in when I was in Polytechnic, I used to wear oh my god, I'm serious guys, I used to wear bare bottom a lot because I feel like they looks good on me, but I wear them with sandals and they keep dragging on the floor. We call it keep Lagos clean. Yes, that's what we call it. So I will sweep the whole campus clean with my bare bottom, just sweeping. But I know much more better now that it's more comfortable or more stylish or fashionable for you to wear it on something that has a little bit of heel, so you will look more, you know, more classy and not shabby or trashy, if that's the appropriate word to use. Like I said, we're just trying to work on our dressing skill. Okay, so I stopped doing that. I put that in the past. Another thing I've noticed is people wearing bomber jacket on a dress. That ruined the outfit completely. Believe me guys, when you're wearing a dress, I feel like you should wear the appropriate jacket that suit it. Wearing a bomber jacket on a dress, it just knock off. No matter how sophisticated or how stylish the dress is, putting a bomber jacket on it, it's no. But if you're wearing those fluffy jackets, like like all those fluffy ones, I feel like it will still bomb it up to make it look classy. But I'm always an advocate of wearing the appropriate jacket on the appropriate outfit. So the next one I'm going to talk about is constantly fixing your dress. Like seriously, people are going to be looking at you when you're doing that. Like coming out from the car and you're fixing. I mean, when you come down from the car, you can fix once because you'll be sitting there for a while and the dress might be up. So when you come down from the car, you can fix it once and just let it go. But when you're walking from your car to wherever you're going and you keep doing like this, doing like this, dragging it down, people are going to keep looking at you and they're going to go like, why is she wearing that if she's not comfortable in it? Some that I've seen is they wear bomber shorts, and the bomber shorts is like going in between their laps and they keep dragging down one too. I'm like, okay, if you want to wear it, you are free to rock whatever you want to wear. You're free to rock your outfit however you want it, but not to the point of causing attention to yourself, because people are going to be looking at you when you keep dragging it, and I feel like it's not classy at all. That's just my opinion. Let me know how you think down in the comment section below. And the last one that I'm going to talk about now is just like my last point, like before this. That's what I meant. Constantly following a trend. It's good for us to dress in the way that actually suits our body type. Okay, like I've seen a situation whereby some people are just they just want to follow the trend because people are wearing scrub top and they want to wear it and it doesn't suit them. So that's what I'm talking about. So it's always good for us to dress according to our body shape. And finally, ladies, this is a fashion world. You can try any kind of thing, try the taste. You dress in your own taste, in your own way, the way you're comfortable, and that's what I've been doing. So I hope you all enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, could you please give me a thumbs up and please give me a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.